hotel. First day out in Hong Kong. As we pull out, Rolls Royce drives in. Sharon is navigating. Not sure how much of a good idea that is, but it's not like we have much choice.
Okay, stop. Bend down your body. Cut off the red roll. Cut the red roll. Whoa. Cut the red roll. Which roll? Which roll? Walk red roll. Under the bone. Under the bone. The red roll. The red roll.
Okay. Turn around. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finish. Okay, finish. Okay.
Okay, she took you so long.
Pull the roll. The roll, Jack. The roll. Yes, face the roll.
Look at this.
Yeah, go. Pull the roll. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you fall down.
Don't die,
Game
sir.
over.
Don't die. Okay, don't die, sir. Go. Keep going. Go, sir.
Don't fall down.
Okay.
Cut it. Bend down your body, sir.
Bend down your
Cut off
body.
the red roll, sir.
Bend down your body. Bend down.
Bend down, sir. Bend down. And yeah. Don't sit. Don't sit. Okay. Okay. Stand up. Turn around.
Oh.
Wait, do it.
Go. Keep going.
Almost done. Almost done.
Go.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Yeah. One step.
One step. One more step. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Take off your suit.
Sharon is missing South Africa so much, she's starting to jaywalk. I'm missing South Africa so much, I'm playing Questa. Hey, at least I'm not jaywalking, right?
Calm is fine, man.
Sharon, listen to this, wait.
In Tombazan. In Tombazan. In Tombazan. In Tombazan. In Tombazan.
3:30 in the morning. We're walking up and down the hills here in Hong Kong, trying to find McDonald's. How can I? Okay, check how steep this hill is.
This is like the fourth one time in the last.
Actually, what I should do is I should find a ball or something, throw it down, and show you guys how steep this thing is. It's insane. Guys, it's 4:20 in the morning, Hong Kong. The subway stuff is closed, so we're trying to get an Uber. The Uber's on the other side of the world.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Tesla.
Oh yes! We got a Tesla. We're going in a Tesla. Yo! That's tops. That's good stuff.
You're gonna wait 11 minutes, but
It's fine. We wait a Tesla. Okay, so
I've never gone in a Tesla before.
this is gonna be exciting. So actually, the Tesla was cheaper than a normal Uber. So yeah, that's tops. That's cool. Oh, there we go. There we go. This is my view now of the city. Let's go up. Wow. Wow. So if you haven't ever flown a drone before, I would recommend maybe flying the simulator, so you actually get an understanding of the controls, what they do, what directions it takes the drone in, what happens when you're pressing what. And then when you're actually flying your drone in real life, you'll have a proper understanding of what to do. Okay guys, I got to the DJI store here in Hong Kong and I needed to fix just a small leg on my drone. Instead, they gave me a brand new drone. Like, brand spanking new. Oh, whew, everything is moving so smooth. I can't wait to fly it. Oh man. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so as you guys know, Sharon's got a fear of heights, right? This is him here, petrified. Let me show you guys the floor. Oh wait, that's not a good view. I get a better view just now for you guys.
Was he doing a YouTube
Wait till we get out there, bro. Look at that. He's still playing it.